How to set up Signal privacy settings. If you're trying to make your account of Signal a bit more private, let me show you the few steps that you can follow in order to do that. Now, once you're inside of the app of Signal, to head over to the privacy settings, you need to tap on the three dotted line on the top right and then head over to settings. From this settings list, you'll see the option called privacy. Now, the way that you set up the privacy settings is first of all by heading over to the phone number option, because this is the main one where people will be able to discover you using your phone number, which is going to be the second option right here. If you don't want other people finding you using your phone number, make sure you select the nobody option. Also, you have the option which says who can see my phone number. This means that other people having your phone number, they can search up the phone number and can find your account inside of Signal. If you don't want that as well, you can set that to nobody. Once the phone number option is done, that is kind of the main one where you can hide your account from a lot of people. If you scroll down as well, you can see options such as messaging, where you can turn on or turn off the read receipts and typing indicators, and you also have the option of turning on the disappearing messages. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you have the advanced option as well, where you can manage settings such as the await relay calls. It says right here, relay all calls through the Signal servers to avoid revealing your IP address to your contacts. So if you want to block your IP address to other people, make sure to turn this option on as well. So that's the way that you can set up these Signal privacy settings. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.